it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Make sure if you're a new face to of course subscribe and leave a comment down below so I know who you are. And of course, welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. You know what to do. Leave a comment and a like. And of course, turn the notification bell on just in case you miss out on any videos that I do bring out. Because I do know that YouTube tends to only send out 1 or 2 notifications out a day for a channel, and we've got sometimes 3 videos coming out. We also did a live stream for the first time yesterday and it was a complete success. At one moment we had a maximum of about 20 views, which I've never seen before, so thank you guys for that support. We did get over 160 views on the live stream yesterday, which is incredible. We also got a new membership in the live stream, and I just want to say thank you all for actually liking the video yesterday. We did manage to hit 100 likes on the Quant video, and I was right, there was 600 of you watching, so we can really push for 300 likes. Yes, 300 likes. If there's 600 of you watching, we can do so. So thank you guys. I just want to say that I will be resetting my Quant chart, okay? Because for me personally, it's just getting a little too messy. But for me, again, personally, the most important level in this chart is this 150 psychological level, because this is going to determine if we're in a bull market or not. This is the level that we must reclaim. Again, this was the level which I was telling you. Now that we're below this, we've caused the bear market. We're going to $70. And once we're at $70, I was actually like, whoa, this is definitely not bottomed out yet. We're actually going to keep going to 50. 40, maybe even 30. So we hit 50 and we hit the 40s as well. We did go as low as, let's just check, we did go as low as 40. So we were right in saying that. And again, we're not done yet. So again, what I just said is, if we zoom out, take a picture of this, pause it, take a picture, screenshot, but make sure in your new chart you do have this 150 psychological level, because this is how I was able to call this complete downfall from here. Now, when we were here, we came down to around $83. The amount of people trolling me, Louis said we're going to 70. Well, we only went to 83. Looks like we're going up now. Then in one day, like honestly, quick flash, like in 2 days, or literally a few days, 1, 2, 3, we were already up at $140 from 80, like almost a double. About, I don't even know, guys, about 70% up. Oh, my math is awful, but you don't need maths for trading. 60, yeah, we were right. 75, yeah, we were right, I thought so. But anyway, so what were all the people saying? Louis was wrong. There's no, you can't rely on Louis anymore. He was completely wrong. But what was I personally saying when we were up at 140, 150? I was telling you, as long as we're not closing above and holding 150 as support, then we can't say we're safe. So I kept on saying, even though we've come up, I was looking at XRP. I remember telling you guys specifically, on this run up, Quant went up too fast. XRP came up too fast. And I remember telling you all that we need to come down and retest the neckline here of this small double bottom. Because I was saying that on XRP and on Bitcoin. So I must have been saying it on Quant too. I remember saying it for the other two. Anyway, we come down, we retested that support with this wick, and we started to fly up again. And what was everyone saying? As we were up here, I was saying we're still going to $70, guys. I hope you realize that. As long as we're below this psychological level, we should be going to $70. As you can see, when we found support here at $65 to $70, where was your impulse all the way up until in and around $187? So from 65, sorry, went to all the way until $180. 100 plus X, 100 plus percent, sorry. So that's all the way down from early 50s, so we won't even do it from there, just because I know the trolls are out there. So we'll do it from 70 exactly. So it still went up 166%. So this is why I knew, okay, now you held support and you did have one final push to $400, which again, I remember telling people to get out, and I remember having comments in the last month saying, Louis, thank you so much. I was watching you in September. And I remember when you were telling me to get out of Quant, to get out of Elrond. And if it weren't for you, I'd have lost an extra 85%. So I'm really happy that I was able to help some out. I was trying to tell you guys over here. But again, a lot of people don't want to believe what's in front of their eyes because they're too attached with their emotions to their money. They have an end goal. They're like, no, Quant is going to 1,000 because these moon boys on YouTube are saying we're going to 1,000. They have no validity in their reasoning. I do. I'm showing you data proven. So if this is the support, how did we get to this support? Well, you bounce from down here to get to that support. So if we ever lose this support, it makes sense to come back down here, okay? Do you understand that now, guys? It's as simple as that. It's all staircase. It's a staircase to heaven and to hell, as simple as that. So if you appreciate the work that I'm putting into these videos, and if you're a new face, remember to subscribe. Please like, again, if you're a returning subscriber or a new face, and I want to see the new faces and the returning subscribers in the comments down below to get these quant videos up in the search results. We don't want these dickhead moon boys up there, man. It's so annoying. You want people that are just going to tell you the truth. Why? Because I want the truth too. So I'm not going to lie to you, otherwise I'd be lying to myself. Why? It's basic stuff that you learn in school. Why are you going to cheat yourself? It makes no sense. Let's go back to an example of BitBoy. I was watching BitBoy last year in and around January time, 2021, and he was like, Ethereum 100% going to be 2.5k by Valentine's Day 2021. Let's check what it was on Valentine's Day 2021. Valentine's Day 2021. We were 14th of February. Let's zoom in a bit. That price of 1,800. No, we're 100% going to be at 2.5k by February 14th. This way saying December, January. What is his validity? What is, oh, insider information. Oh, please just shut up, mate. This some people believe absolute garbage. So I'm going to tell it to you straight, okay? And yeah, this is how I was able to call $70 while we were up here and everyone was getting gassed and everyone was like, yeah, putting me down. No, I still remain saying we're going to 70. Then we started bouncing up, getting laughed at again because I was saying we're still going to 70. And then what happens? We went to 70. And where are those people now? I actually did have a few people actually say, Louis, I was one of the people hating on you. But creds to you. If I was your age, I'd be doing the same. If I was you, I'd be doing the same. I wouldn't be backing down from what my belief is. Why? Because I'm not picking my belief out my asshole. I'm showing you data. Where did you bounce from? You bounced from 70. Where was the bounce until 180? Where was the support then that you found before another bounce? 150. So if I bounced from 70 to beyond 150, then I came back down to 150 and I confirmed that as a floor. And from that floor, I went up further and then I start coming back down to that 150 floor. If I'm closing below that floor, where was the level we were before this floor? 70. So it's as simple as that, guys. Oh, the light just fell. But it is literally as simple as that, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Watch the Bitcoin one because it's so important to know where we're going further on. Again, I can't really do TA on Quant at the moment. You know, all the alts are doing what they want. It basically means that it's an alt season. I'm having people saying, why are you saying it's an alt season in a bear market? Because an alt season just means alts are going up against Bitcoin. That's why you're seeing XRP Bitcoin this going up. It means XRP is gaining on Bitcoin's price. This literally means by definition altcoin season. I'm not saying a bull market. I'm saying an altcoin season. That is in a bear market. If you really want me to say yes, it's in a bear market. Let's look up Quant BTC. You can see Quant is going up against Bitcoin since the 13th of June. Quant is dominating Bitcoin. This means Bitcoin is staying flat while Quant is going up in value. And because of this, we call this alt season, because the alts are gaining on Bitcoin. I'm not saying it's a bull market like these idiots in the comments down below. So I hope that was very clear. I'm trying to be so clear nowadays because yeah, there's too many trolls. They can keep trolling, but I know what I'm saying. They're putting 2 and 2 making 10, but no, I'm putting 2 and 2 making 4. So I know what I'm doing here. Anyway, final thing, of course, watch the Bitcoin update from today. It's so important if you want to know where Quant is also going as well, because again, we're having alt season, right? Eventually that's going to end. Bitcoin's going to dominate. Will that mean Bitcoin pumps and the alts stay flat? Or will Bitcoin dump and the alts go down more, basically? So that's what a Bitcoin season means. It can either go up in a Bitcoin season, Bitcoin going up more than the alts while the alts stay flat. We have seen that in the past. Or it just means that Bitcoin goes down less than the alts and alts go down more because they're easier to topple. But yesterday, we closed below 60 again, unfortunately. But you found your support on these EMAs, which is what's keeping you alive, basically. And yeah, it's nice to see that you're holding this previous $55 support again. But yeah, guys, we just don't know what's going on. I can now extend this. We just need to wait for a reaction. You see what I mean? There's nothing really much more to say other than from down here, I did say that we're most likely going to come up and potentially have one more leg down. So be aware that could potentially happen. I can tell you already, though, that if this was our top, and I'm not sure because really you want retests of EMAs. So while you're above this 20, it means that we should be going to this 55 and maybe a spike to the 69. Of course, if you break above that, you're going to the 200 in and around $100, maybe a little bit below. But if we've already topped out, we're not going up higher to this 55 to even just kiss it, and we have topped out, then we have to say it as it is, because the last 2 days we have seen weakness, as I said in the Bitcoin update. But today, if we show some strength, you just invalidate what's just happened. So even though the last 2 days have confirmed weakness of Quant, today a random billionaire can put 10 billion into Quant. Quant will go up. You see what I mean? So TA on day to day might not work. We've seen this in this bear market. Look at this massive push above resistance, went straight back under. A million fake outs, push above the EMAs, didn't close above, went back under, tank. There's just so many fake outs. Not the time to trade. It's the time to invest, not the time to trade. If you want to trade, you're going to lose your money. I can guarantee you that. You might get lucky 1, twice, 3 times. You're going to lose your money. But yeah, so if this is the top and we're failing to hold this golden pocket, so we actually are allowed to come down and do this. But if we start losing 49 and coming down to 40 again, this is when we're going to lose 40 and head lower to in and around $30, which is another level that we have been calling out. But again, you can see we do have further 2 targets already. And don't forget, the higher we go, so if we start topping out at around 90, you can see that our targets will actually be lower and lower and lower. And you can see if we did actually have an impulse to 90 and we did come back down and we failed to form some sort of double bottom to actually become bullish, and we failed to do so and we do lose the 1 and we head to the 1618, but we don't get a bounce big enough to reclaim the 1, then we could actually continue down to these lower 2 targets. Now this, at the moment, these two targets are complete nonsense, because look where I put the 0 fib level. We're not there yet. I'm just telling you, theoretically, if we did have a pump to $90, then you've technically already programmed lower targets. The bigger the rip, the bigger the dip. So my saying in a bull market is the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip afterwards. So technically, the lower you go, the higher you'll go after. Now we're in a bear market, you have to reverse that. The bigger the pump, the bigger the dip, basically. So the bigger the rip, the bigger the dip, unfortunately now. But when we're in a bull market, it's the opposite. The bigger the dip, the bigger the rip. So we just have to flip it now. So we don't really want to skyrocket to the moon too fast and then gradually build up. A V-shaped recovery would be nice, just hopefully not failure of one. But yeah, as I said, if we do pump to in around $90, you could see you do have a target below 14.5. And again, we cannot afford to go below $14.5. And the reason is, as I explained previously, the trading view chart doesn't show the data of Quant before 2021 or before 2021. So Quant's been around since 2018. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can actually see all of the impulses. So this is actually a wave 4 pullback, and wave 1 is in and around $14. So Quant, with all its might, is going to try and go down there. It's going to. The bears, that's what its end goal is for the bears, to invalidate this 1.6, 1.8K target, whatever it was. I completely forgot the exact numbers, but the high 1Ks. If you want to keep that target valid for the future of Quant, then we need to see Quant staying above $14.5. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's update. Again, if you're a new face, please subscribe. I want to see you in the comments down below. And of course, if you're a returning viewer, let me know that you watched this video, because I've seen people come and go. And yeah, as in the comments, they might still be a subscriber, they might still watch me, but I don't know. I used to see many people from 6 months ago commenting constantly, and then they disappear, but I know they're probably still subscribed. I want to see those guys again, people that have been here since I was even before 200 subscribers. I want to see those people again. So thank you guys again for watching. I do have education available. That's all in the link below to my Twitter. It's the second link below. Head over to my Twitter, private message me. I've got the course, a 6-hour course with 30 plus videos, and a 20-hour long with 21-hour lessons of one-on-one mentorship. You also get the course included, and with both the course and the mentorship, you also get my crypto chat for free included, where I post my wins, my buys, my sells, like my investments when I'm selling there, my thoughts on the market, and any trades that I do take. But again, in a bear market, I'm not going to be trading too often because of all this manipulation, as I've shown today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.